The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Park County, central Putnam County, northeastern. Hey, you, the fat ass on the couch. Are you even listening? I'm serious, this storm is real damaging. Anyway, where was I? Northeastern Owen County, western Clay County, southeastern. So you're just going to sit and ignore me, huh? I don't give a singular shit that your kid's show was turned off. This is more important than whatever the fuck you were watching. You know what? Never mind, I'll just end the alert and let you die.